Hi everyone, welcome back to Ingel-Art. Happy to have you here today. And welcome to all the new subscribers. I've noticed there's been a lot. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I'm using one of my favorite color combos, okay? And that is burnt umber, ivory black, Naples yellow, light, by the way. This is reflex orange, and I have gold here. All my colors are from Talens, by the way, all. There will be a lot of speeding in this video. If there are parts you would like not to be sped up or anything like that, please let me know in the comments below. So let's just start. Filling a cup, filling a dustpan, pleating that out, filling another dustpan, creating ribbons. All right, I'm not using a split cup. The only reason why I usually use a split cup whenever I do this technique is because I don't want them to blend too much. But these colors go so well together that I would love them to blend. In the bottom pour, so in the pleats, I'm going to do underneath. I'm not going to do gold. I'm only going to put the gold on top. I'm not planning to go crazy like I did with the colorful one last week. And I just totally forgot. I was just like, okay, that's fun and that's nice. And I was like, what am I doing? So hopefully that doesn't happen again. Let's go. Okay, reflex orange. Let's go. Okay, stop. That's a full cup. Wow. Seeing that this dustpan is kind of thin, so this paint is pretty heavy, I need to hold it with two hands. To keep it straight. That is pretty. I'm just leaving that go. I know it's gonna take your time, but there's still half a cup. Let's keep on going. Isn't that beautiful? Well, I'm just gonna go on. I'm gonna try and go help. Help. I hope you can see, because I'm gonna have to tilt my dustpan a little bit. There we go. There's my white, there's the white. And stop. Okay. And let's go. This is a little tricky, but let's bring that back. I'm not over the corner all the way yet, but don't want that to run all the way off. All right. Wow, Gretchel. See what we are working with first. Let me see. Oh, wow, the colors. Yeah, I don't like to stretch my work so much, you guys. I'm loving the movement I got by taking it from corner to corner. I kind of love these stripes like this. Well, here she goes. Okay. Okay. 2 seconds. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. I'm still not finished. Okay, stop. This one doesn't need a lot. So I'm stopping. Making sure it starts to drip. And then I'm gonna do, it starts to run. And then you can take your time and go. Let's go. Try to keep your hands flowy, guys. Done. Love. Everything is dirty, guys. I mean, even my cups I work with, everything is just sticky because it's been like almost 2 hours since I started, okay? Almost 2 hours. Let me take you in for the close-up first, okay? Thank you very much for meeting me here. And yeah, we'll see next week what we're planning. We might do something different. We might... I'm thinking I'm doing something almost the same, but then instead of using reflex orange, I'm going to use like a dark, deep dark red color. That piece is going to be darker than this, but a very soft pink would look good with these colors as well, you know. So yeah, I got a week to think about that. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me here. Greetings and love from the Netherlands.